Alrighty, this is Pokemon Battle Partners 26146, and we're going to randomize these names 5 times for the supporter spot.
Oh, let's find out. 26146. I don't think there is a random.
Oh, there isn't a random?
Ooh. Ah, the promo card.
Oh, okay, we're randoming for the promo card.
Very good.
I was like, do I stop recording and start again? Maybe I should do that anyway. We're randomizing these names 5 times for who gets the promo card. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is Darkness, Lankayu. Congratulations.
Oh, what a wonderful premise that we're like really like proper, except for when
we're really proper.
You'll never see it unless you see us live.
Are you implying that we're not proper?
I have my mic muted for like a long time, so at least one of us.
Wait, there's not a promo in this one, is there?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, there's no promo.
This is promo will be random between everyone in the break. If there's not, I'll ask Blake.
I think the promo is just in the English one.
Let's find out.
But I could be wrong. Ooh, we have a Wailord. Oh, okay, we have separate promo cards. Nice. There's Enzo Reshiram. Hell yeah. That is awesome. Oh, okay, so for the Japanese one, I guess it's this promo. That's exciting. But for the English one, we've got Reshiram. Reshiram! Let's go. Oh, hell yeah! I'm so glad, Grubby. Congrats. So early on as well. How are we today? I'm doing good, Inboxed. How are you? Very excited for the long weekend in Victoria this weekend. It should be good. Should be good. That's a Bellybot. Iono's Bellybot EX. See, I can't say that I hate all electric type because look at this little guy with his fake eyes. They're so cute. This is the thing. I do love some of them. Yes, let's go. We got a Zacian EX in the full art. And it's the Wailord card that everyone is talking about at the moment. Let's go. Everyone loves this long boy so much. It is all I'm seeing on the internet. I hope you enjoy the long boy. Ooh, the Iono's Kilowattrel. Big man, so large. So large. Wailord's one of the ones you can't buy a life-size plush, but I think you can buy one of those like extra large plushes of, or you could at one point in time maybe. Ooh, release Clefairy EX. Snorlax, he looks so angry. Oh, that's the mammoth swine. Oh, a little guy. I really want to pull a ferret just so I can show you guys in person how freaking cute it is. It is absolutely adorable. Ooh, Tyranitar. Oh my god, it's so cute with the little rock wrap. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. This set is going so hard. Well, we got a Zorlac EX. And our last pack for this break. Ooh, we have Reshiram again.